Hello there, it's Marina here. Today we are going to make a vintage baby card using beautiful scrapbooking paper collection. It's called New Baby Born by Craft & You. Take a piece of thick craft paper 21 by 21 cm and mark with a pencil in the middle of it. Then fold it in half. The card base is going to measure 10.5 by 21 cm. We cut the paper 20.5 by 10 cm and we stick it with a liquid glue. The papers I used are quite thick and I didn't want to add a lot of layers. I'm tearing the paper all around a little bit and then I'm sticking an elastic wooden frame. You can see a full list of the products down in the description area. Now some sisal and a big boxed thread. I wanted to say in this point that I created all the flowers I used with foamiran. It's, I could say, a magical material. I can do any flower I want with cutting dies and in any color combination. I just grab some distress inks or soft pastels and start playing. I'm sticking down the leaves that I made with my die cutting machine and I distress them all around the edges with a Tim Holtz distress ink called peeled paint. And now it's time for the sentiment. I'm choosing two sentiments that's saying a sweet wish and for you, and I'm stamping them with archival ink on a piece of scrap paper. I'm sticking the sentiment in the middle of the frame, and that was the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!